guys, it's Kira and Kyra and welcome back. So we just recently came back from a 3 days camping trip. I don't know about you, but I'm a minimalist when it comes to traveling and camping. So I want to pack as little as I can. I wish someone could have done this for me. I spent so long putting together this checklist just to make sure that I don't miss out on any little thing. So here it is. I'm going to share with you this checklist. You can find a list of them on my website, linked below. We'll start with camping gear first. So obviously we need a tent, some pegs, and hammer if you want to make your life easier, ropes for various purposes, foam pad, sleeping bag, and pillows. We actually just stacked up towels and clothing this time to save some space in our small car. Laundry pegs, you can actually use them to hang wet clothes on the ropes, or you can use them as food storage clips. Onto our kitchenware, the first thing is a gas cooker. That's absolutely essential. I think if you have a gas cooker and a lighter, you can survive in any conditions. Yeah, it's really compact. It's cool, eh? You can open this up on top like that. And a pot, of course. If you do shop in the supermarket, bring back some cardboard. They come in so handy. Swiss knife, wet wipes, picnic rug, plates and cutlery, containers and resealable sandwich bags for any leftovers, an esky or chili bin, how the Kiwis call it. Food and drinks. Stock up on your water. Buy non-perishable food like crackers, chips, canned tuna, instant noodles, tea bags, and long-life milk. If you do have a fridge at your campsite, you can also buy bread, fruits, veggie, and meat. If you plan to use a barbecue facility, don't forget to bring tongs, spray oil, foil paper, barbecue, and tomato sauce. For entertainment, depending on where you're camping, you might want to bring your favorite water toys like snorkeling gear, boogie board, beach toys, towels, or books. What's in my luggage? Some of these campsites can be quite remote. You might come across an unpowered site, so it's always a good idea to bring a power bank and phone cable. And doesn't matter where you're going, always bring a set of warm clothing. There's so many times I've experienced a dramatic temperature drop, either at night by the beach or deep inside the mountains. Bring bikinis and beach wears if you are going to the beach. Lingerie, camera charger, toilet paper rolls always come in handy, plastic bags, and a little first aid kit. And of course, nappy for the duration that you're going to be away. I find it's a good idea to put some in the tent so you don't have to go out cold at night. And lastly, nappy bag. And of course, don't forget to bring a nappy bag. There's everything. This is the magic bag, I call it. It's got everything in it. Nappies, of course. So in my nappy bag, I have sun hat, bibs, toothbrushes for both me and Bub, toothpaste, spare socks and onesies for baby, sippy cup, sunscreen lotions, snack box, breastfeeding cover if you do use one, cosmetics and skincare products. I personally don't use any cosmetics when I'm traveling, but I do bring a lot of skincare products like moisturizers, especially if I'm going to the beach. Insect repellents, make sure you get the all-natural one for baby. Hairbrush, hair tie, and spare batteries if you do have anything that's battery operated. Last but not least, don't forget to bring a baby carrier and a stroller. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if I missed anything or if you have anything to add. I swear I probably just forgot the most important thing. So let me know in the comments box below. If you do find this video useful, let's light up this page by giving it a thumbs up. Yeah, like that. Thumbs up. We would love to connect with you again next week, so subscribe if you haven't already. And in the meantime, dream big and travel more. Yay! You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next week.